The incredible Raskal 1972 Chevrolet K5 BLAZER, a masterpiece built by the renowned Ringbrothers in 2023. This off-road Restomod is a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern performance, meticulously crafted to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Join us as we dive into the details of this stunning build. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Raskal is powered by a Wegner Motorsports Inc LS 3.62-liter 376 Ci engine, producing an impressive 430 horsepower. This beast of an engine is paired with a Bowler Tru-Street 4L60E transmission and a Midwest Transfer Case NP208, ensuring smooth and reliable performance both on and off the road. The custom Flowmaster 44 stainless steel exhaust system with headers by Ringbrothers adds a throaty roar to this powerful machine. Chassis and suspension. The Raskal rides on a Roadster Shop 69-72 K5 BLAZER RS4 straight axle chassis, providing a solid foundation for its off-road capabilities. The suspension setup includes a triangulated four-link system with Fox Racing coilovers, offering exceptional handling and stability on rough terrains. Brakes and wheels. Stopping power is provided by Bowler Pro plus 13-inch cross-drilled rotors with 6-piston black calipers, ensuring reliable and responsive braking performance. The custom 18-inch by 12-inch wheels are designed to look stock but offer modern performance, wrapped in Nitto Ridge Grappler LT35 by 12.50 R17 tires for superior traction and durability. Interior comfort and technology. Inside, the Raskal offers a perfect blend of comfort and technology. The floor has been lowered to increase space, making room for new, more comfortable seats fabricated in-house by Ringbrothers. The dashboard features Dakota digital gauges surrounded by custom bezels, updated climate control, and audio systems, and a custom steering wheel. Every detail has been carefully considered to provide a luxurious and functional interior. The quarter panels and tailgate have been raised to match the door height, and the door handles have been moved to the tops of the doors for a cleaner look. Finished in BASF Glasurit Waterborne Bashful Blue, the Raskal is a head-turner wherever it goes.